Hello boys and girls, I want to do a small chat about W211 and W219 AMG rear suspension. The main difference between AMG and non-AMG cars are the bushing stiffness of the rear axle. The AMG cars have much more stiffer rear bushings, except the rear toe links. The rear toe links are the same as non-AMG cars. I believe because they are the same with non-AMG cars, these bushings are the soft link in rear suspension of the AMG cars, and actually when the rear wheel hits a bump, my car actually is having bump steer problem, and for this reason I've done some research and found this type of length order bushings. This is the part number, are with identical outside diameter, but they are 2 mils longer, actually 4 mils. And they have to be milled with 2 mils on each side, and this bushing will fit on this location. And we do the same with this, but we make this larger diameter for this bolt. And I'll install the bushings on these 2 points with these sleeves, and we'll test the links, and I'll tell you what's the feeling of the car. Does it change anything or it's the same? Today I'm going to finish these custom toe links, and we'll see if they are going to help to the car handling. Here are the bushes, and these parts I'll paint because they're a bit rusty. This is the rusty hardware that I have to paint. For this task I'm going to use this product. And now we have to wait till the paint is dry, and I have to rotate this hardware to paint it on the other side. It is 5 mils from this point here to this point here, and it's 7 mils from this point here to this point here. This is how I should install this bushing. Now the bushing is removed in the press conference room, actually with a press, just press. I have to clean this surface here inside. This is the old bushing, and I have to install the new one from this side. Actually, I have to install the new one from this side. I'll clean the inner surface here with sandpaper, just a small quantity. I'll put some oil here, just a drop of oil. And here. This is a complete toe link. I need to tighten it. And this is the end result with new bushings. And I need to remove this toe link here and to replace it with a refurbished one, and I hope the car handling will improve. I believe these bushings here are completely gone. I did a small modification to the link, to the toe link. I removed this lip here and enlarged the hose. This allows more toe to the rear end, and tomorrow we'll see what is going to happen during the wheel alignment. The left toe link is now installed. I need to torque this bolt and this bolt here, and it fits perfectly. You can see the custom bushing, and new toe links are installed successfully. I have to do a wheel alignment and to check the car's handling.